साकार शरीर केवल जोनुम शब्द स्पर्श रूप रस गंध सुती है। आत्म स्वरूप सुपानई ओसुम परम रथ दोरुम शेरस्पेट। नमस्कार। आज सीक्रेट्स ऑफ कश्मीर का 12वां अध्याय। फिर पुनः हम ललेश्वरी पे आते हैं। रहस्यमय है पूरा जीवन ललेश्वरी का, रहस्यमय है पूरे कश्मीर भूमि का अस्तित्व, जिसके बारे में लोग जानना चाहते हैं, और हम वही कड़ी लेकर आपके सामने आ रहे हैं। There are so many revelations to be made exactly about Laleshwari. We would like to say that so much of spirituality, so much of self-knowing from her through her walks, divine walks, nectar-like expressions coming out from the women of the millennia. I should say the goddess incarnate of Lalita. She was Lalita herself. Who knew when she left Kashmir for a unknown destination? Who knew that? Nobody. Somebody is claiming that Laleshwari is in Samadhi somewhere in Siberia. This is what we need to ponder upon and would like to know about it, and people are very keen, curious to know about it more. But here we'd like to throw some light on her walks. Actually, walks, when we sing, it appears that it's not we who are singing, it's some divine nada, some divine sound that is empowering us to sing. It's not possible for an ordinary person like me to sing a walk, but something happens and tunes come naturally. I don't compose these tunes, but when I touch my harmonium, my fingers go around naturally and I start singing whatever comes, whatever tune comes to my mind. And what I sang just now, it's just an expression from unknown. I don't know how it came. So secret is associated with this because she says Omui Akui Achur Poru. Yeah, she says Omui Ajatai Omui Soru. She says Omui Chuvatpat Omui Swarum. She says Atma Swarup Supanai Osum Param Tat Dorum Sheraspet. Regarding Om, she speaks volumes and volumes. So many walks dedicated to the divine Om sound, the Nada Brahma itself. She realized this sound to be a continued sound. It's without any stay. It doesn't stop. It goes on and on. It goes on and on. It never stops. But that is the matter of experience. One needs to experience how it doesn't stop. When we see, when I play harmonium, I play it for some time and I can stop it. But the sound of Om is the sound which never stops. Nirantar, Nitya. It's not Anitya, it's Nitya. Orityapanai, Yorityapanai, Utvanai, Rojnazah, Panai Gup, Gupt Panai Gyani Panai Panas Mudnaza. The presence of the Lord is felt everywhere. Hidden from public view, he is permanently concerned about his creation and never fails to perform whenever needed by these. He is external because his existence is guaranteed perpetually. Our beloved translator and scholar, late Jawaharlal Bhattji, who had desire to work on this project with me. He wanted me to sing, and he was about to explain everything about Lalwaks, but unfortunately now the gifted book is with me, which he gifted me, and that's all. But I read and get inspired, get enlightened from all the scholarly, elderly people who are there to guide us. Let us move to the collection of Lalwaks and listen to these peace-giving and inspiring towards self-knowing, the best of creations in terms of poetry by human beings, but the human being, our beloved Laleshwari, Laldad or Lalarifa, whosoever, the divine Laldad gifted us Amritam, Amritam, Amritam. Let us listen to these words.
ओमकार शरीर की वलजोनुम शब्द रूप रस गंध सूती हथ आत्म स्वरूप सु पानई पोसुम परम त्वत दोरुम शेरस कट ओमई आदित ओमई सोरुम ओमई थुरुम पनुम पान अन्यत त्रवित नेत आई बोसुम तवई प्रोवुम परम अस्थान ओमुई अकुई अक्षर पोरुम सुई माल रटुम वंदस मन सुई माल कनि पेट गोरुम तु चोरुम असस सास्त सपनी स्वन ओमुई छुई व्यथ पथ ओमुई छुई सरुन ओमुई छु वपुदीश परम जान ओमुई परुन ओमुई सरुन ओमु सुई सुचई जानी जान और तिपानई पोतवाने रोजन जान पानई गुप्त पानई ज्ञानी पानई पानस मूद नजान